조상이 암살자인 장미에게.
The university. Right, the book. Remember Lucas said in the basement, the path is strewn with roses.
그 지하로 가야 해?
Roses. Wherever will I find roses here?
그래, 여기 건물 안에 장미가 있을 리가 없잖아.
It's locked.
이쪽도 가볼까?
Oh, it's enormous. But where have the books gone?
지하에 있다 그랬으니까 이건 아닐 거고.
There, the banners. Flowers. Yes, there are roses. I'm on the right track.
이거야, 그럼?
How many days have we been here?
I've lost count.
I can't even tell the difference between day and night anymore. Shut up in here.
It'll soon be over.
No rats.
Lad to open the last door.
Strange.
Days we've been here, and the Grand Inquisitor himself is coming to help us.
쥐가 없다고?
Gonna be quite an event.
쟤 지금 투구 쓰고 있는 거 아니지? 뭐야? 이거 뭔 여긴 거 같아. 기다려봐. 이제 올라가자. 근데 지하라며.
So, Alchemist, got enough books, or do you want me to get you some more?
One can never have enough books, if one can read.
Ha! It's all just pagan stuff.
The Sanguinus Itinera is a sacred book. The knowledge it contains goes back to the dawn of man, and this knowledge will save us all. So keep searching, and concentrate on looking for books with a red.
The
With a
book.
red cover.
The Sanguinus
Yeah.
Itinera.
I might not
They're
be
looking
able to
for it
read.
too.
That doesn't mean I'm
I'd better be
stupid.
quick.
어떻게 해야지?
Was that a whip?
아, 얘 조용히 하려 그랬는데.
Come on, get down.
재우려 그랬는데. 내 마음대로 안 되네. 이거 아니고. 꽉 찼어?
At least those fucking rats won't
There are
come
the
out of their
roses.
hole.
I'm on the right track.
여기 또 있는 거야? 아, 진짜.
There they are.
Next time he talks to me like that, I'll stuff one of his
쥐
bloody
소리가
books in his
나는데?
gob.
With a red cover, it's his favorite scent.
The book. Another brilliant idea from the alchemist. There's something shady about those guys.
Too true. There's parts of the Bastion I daren't go anymore. The things they're doing there.
Yeah, over there.
왜 안 먹어져? 너도 잘까? 친구야? 근데 얘네들이 계속 이거를 떨구네. 왜 저기다가 가둬놨을까?
This stuff. Will it end up covering everything?
Move it, blacksmith. There's work waiting for you.
We're really scraping the barrel if Vitaly stoops to catching a beggar like this.
어머,
Oh well.
잠시만요.
Finally open this door.
I can't get past. Too many guards.
How on earth did the rats do that? Imagine the force you need to get through that thickness.
이거 더 이상 못 만들지?
Your arm.
The hole's no use anymore. They've blocked it up, can't you see? They know exactly what they're doing, little bastards.
쟤들 못 오는구나.
Attack!
We'll find you eventually. Just a matter of time.
딱 걸렸어. 야, 이거 어떻게 나가?
How on earth did the rats do that? Imagine the force you need to get through that thickness.
I can imagine what it will do to your arm.
The hole's no use anymore. They've blocked it up, can't you see? They know exactly what they're doing, little bastards.
Did you hear something? Let's go see.
Be careful.
이렇게 가야 되는구나.
Nothing to see here. Noted.
이거를 이렇게 하고 이쪽으로 던지고 못 가는 애가 있네. 딱 걸렸다.
Can't get past.
빠르게 해야 되는데 쟤들 죽이고 와야 되는 건가?
How on earth did the rats do that?
아, 치운 다음에 쟤들한테로 던지면은 쟤네들한테 가지 않을까? 지들이?
The
어,
hole's no use anymore. They've blocked it up, can't you see?
얘들한테 집어
Know exactly what they're
던져야지.
doing, little bastards.
뭐냐? 왜 아까는 거리가 나왔는데 왜 이번 거리가 안 나오지? 아. 그렇군요.
I thought I heard someone. I'll be right back.
Don't take any risks.
Nothing here.
쟤네들한테 보내야지.
Right. To your post.
이렇게 하고
Unbelievable. Ah, so that's where you were hiding. Hey, you there!
뭐야? 왜 얘한테는 안 가? 아씨.
How on earth did the rats do that? Imagine the force you need to get through that thickness.
I can imagine what it
저
means
둘을
for
한
our-
번에 안
The
되나?
hole's no use anymore. They've blocked it up, can't you see? They know exactly what they're doing, little bastard.
What was that noise? I'm gonna take a look.
Watch yourself.
아, 저쪽으로 부른 다음에 던져서 부른 다음에 저쪽으로 던지면 한 번에 같이 죽으려나? 아,
Nothing here.
All right, get back to your post.
골 아프게 하는 녀석들. 한 번 더.
Yen! Wait. I'm gonna go back and check.
Be careful.
둘이 같이 안 가?
Nothing again. All right. Back to your watch.
All right.
I can't get past. I have to get the rats out of the room.
뭐야? 됐다. 이제 못 오게 이렇게 막고 못 오겠지?
I haven't seen any roses for a while. Hope I haven't taken a wrong turn.
다른 거지? 이걸 만든 다음에 하면 되겠다. 뭐야 이거는? 오도리스와 루미노사의 지속시간 증가. 탄약구 주변에 있는 적을 교란시킵니다. 점화약이 뭐지? 루미노사. 아, 이거. 이걸로 교란시킨다고? 위력이 강해지며 타오를 때 큰 소리를 냅니다. 이거 3개 들어가는 거고 9개. 그쵸. 우선 이거.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
다른 것도 안 돼요. 이거 된다 이제.
This should make things a little easier.
뭐야? 이렇게 피를 뽑아내는 거야 지금?
Still no news of our young Hugo de Rune.
Lord Nicholas continues his search.
In which case, the only thing that can help us find the book is the son of a smith. You built that door with your father. Now, you'll open it for us.
We were asked to build that door precisely to keep out scum like you.
I am the Grand Inquisitor Vitalis Benevent.
아,
You have no idea how I have suffered. Look, what
자기가
I
살려고.
do for you. 비슷한 것. What is your name, boy?
Roderick.
I do not wish for
맞고 나더니 잘 움직이네?
before he has opened this door. Do not commit the same mistake you made with his father. Take him.
Quickly, I mustn't lose them.
Even when the Grand Inquisitor talks about saving thy neighbor,
어디로 내려가려고?
Roderick, looks like we both have problems.
How long can the episanguis contain the bite?
As long as his fate allows.
아,
You know, finally, you were warned.
얘들은 보내고. 아, 꼈어요. 이리로 못 가잖아.
So he's the one who made the door.
Yes, and he'll open it. With the book and the Darun kid, Vitalis can complete the conjuration. Then we'll be saved from the plague. Hadinem.
Not Lucan.
Oh, well said.
Move it! Now listen to me. Me and my friends spent some time in the jails of the Bastion, making the heretics talk. You're pretending to be
쟤들 가고 나서 쟤
It was.
템은 챙겨서 가자.
Oh, that's strange.
없고.
So, recognize it? Remind you
아,
of your dad?
Don't you talk about my father.
Really? You want to play that game?
Get to work!
You've ruined the floor.
Heavy armor. Oh, there has to be a way.
That mosaic took us weeks.
We don't give a shit about your mosaic. Open the bloody door, or you'll end up like your old man.
얘랑 여기서
I
싸워야
will kill you, you
되는
know.
거야?
Just as soon as I remember how to open this door.
Don't take too long.
쟤부터 해결해야 될 것 같은데. 아, 이거 갑옷 안 벗겨질 것 같은데.
We need that book.
It's not. Is that where it came from?
와, 다른 애들도 왔어? 어머! 어떻게 해야 돼?
Heavy armor. Oh, there has to be a way.
밖에서 온단 말이지. 얘 수면제가 들까?
Come on.
안 되네.
Oh, look who's here.
I've been wanting to do this for 2 days.
아니. 그런 것 같긴 한데. 수면제도 안 먹혀요.
Heavy armor. Oh, there has to be a way.
뭔가 방법이 있을 텐데. 아,
Come on, move it. We need that book.
너무 멀어? 너무 가까워서 안 돼.
I've been wanting to do this for 2
이틀 내 이 순간만 기다려왔대.
I don't know who you are, but thank you.
We need
그러면서
to leave.
자기
The
할 일
guards
하는
must
거야?
have had that. What's that door?
A special order. My father's masterpiece.
And do you know how to open it? Because that would be a real help.
Hey, you there! Guard!
It would help us a lot.
It'll take a bit of time.
Carry on. I'll keep them
네. 잠깐. 아, 잠깐만.
I don't want to rush you, but they're still coming and the fire has broken out.
Almost there.
아. 아이, 진짜. 너무 늦었네? 얘네들 다 뚝배기가 없는걸?
Heavy armor. Oh, there has to be a way.
I've been wanting to do this for 2 days.
I don't know who you are, but thank you.
We need to leave. The other guards must have had that. What's that door?
A special order. My father's masterpiece.
And do you know how to open it? Because that would be a real help.
그냥 얼굴 대.
It would help us a lot.
It'll take a bit of time.
Carry on. I'll keep them back. I don't want to rush you, but they're still coming, and it looks like a fire has
세
broken out.
명까지 봤거든?
Almost there. Come on. That's it. Hurry up.
The
네.
alarm's been sounded. They won't let us go. Hey, do you know where we're going?
Don't think. Run.
생각하지 말라고?
We're finished. We need to hide.
No, we need to slow them down.
Will that do it?
It'll have to.
Right. We're in the basement. It's a start.
Open up right away!
잠깐만. 갑시다.
Roderick, I need the book.
What on earth is so special about this bloody book?
It could save my little brother. Please.
I don't know where it is. The only thing I know is that they tortured my father to death for it. And I'm gonna kill them.
They killed
아,
my
그 책
parents.
때문에 고문당하다가 돌아가셨구나.
All right. What about the book?
Just you wait and see. There's lots of them around here.
못 가져가네.
Wow. Another library. Underneath the library.
Forbidden books. That's why we built the door.
So the Sanguis Itinera has to be here. All I know is it has a red cover.
Look! Up there.
Roses.
나도 안 그래도
That
그거
must be
같아.
it. I'll have to climb up.
근데 올라가려면
Too high.
여기로
I need
올라가.
something to get me up.
아까는 안
Could you
되더니.
help me with this?
All right. Interesting.
The shelves form a path.
That's your route to the book. Easy. Maybe I spoke too soon. I need to act as a counterbalance. I'll stay over here. Tell me which lever you want me to pull.
All right.
아이,
Now.
All right?
그거 아니에요. 그거 아니야.
Yeah,
이거.
Now.
right away.
이거
You
절로
said you'd act
가져가야
as a
될 것 같아.
counterbalance.
I did. It gave way.
Right. We'll have to be very careful. Perfect.
이쪽?
By the way,
아니!
my name's Amicia, and you're Roderick, right?
You know a lot of stuff, Amicia.
Who hired you to do the door?
Monks, of a sort. They didn't talk much. My father designed it. He was the master. I was just the apprentice.
Monks of a sort. Watching over the Sanguinis Itinera.
이리 못 가? 아이, 진짜. 어떻게 하면 저를 갈 수 있지?
Go on.
Fine for me?
아,
It's too quiet. No, stop.
All right.
아니, 왜? 저
Go
돌려봐요.
on.
Right away.
Stop.
Fine for me?
Roderick,
All right.
흠.
Move, Amicia. You're in the way. Get off it then.
내려오라고? 무슨 소리야?
Move, Amicia. Get off it then.
저 상자를 이용하는 건가? 아, 저기다 끼우는 건가 보다.
come on, move.
Hey, don't injure yourself. Do you want me to?
No, my brother. I owe him this for all the
네,
times
봤어요.
I wasn't there for
근데
him.
이거 잡았으니까 갖다
Have a hard time
놓으려고.
bringing the book back with a broken arm.
나중에 내려올 때 하지 뭐.
Well, if that ain't love, I don't know what is.
Right, let's get this over with.
아,
Hold on. Now!
Fine for me?
될 것 같아요. 이번엔. 그러라고 2개 있는데.
No, stop.
Yeah.
Go on.
All right.
뭐라? 올라가는 기능이 안 떠요.
Stop.
뜨네?
That's it. Nearly there.
Let's
아,
go. We've been here too long.
됐다.
Got it. I can barely believe it.
You'd better believe it and get back quickly. They'll be here any second.
I know you, Amicia de Rune. We have been watching your family for quite some time now, waiting for the macula in your brother's blood to finish its slumber.
와, 깨어날 때까지 기다린 거야?
You could say, I have watched you grow up.
No. We have no chance.
Little idiot. What do you expect to do with that book?
Save my brother.
With your brother and that book, I can save the
That's
world,
enough.
Amicia.
Come on. This way.
Guards! You may run, but no one can escape their own blood.
You seem to know each other well.
He destroyed my life.
I know what that's like.
지금 제가 어느 정도 한 거예요? 절반 이상 한 건가?
Ready? It's gonna be hell out there.
Let's ready as I'll ever be.
아시는 분 있나?
Let's go and find the others.
Where the hell are they?
We've certainly stirred them up.
Quiet. I can't risk losing this book.
절반? 내가 가야 되는 거야?
How did it get so bad so quick?
Heavy armor. We're stuck.
He's looking the other way. I can take him.
You sure?
It'll be my pleasure. Whenever you're ready.
Roderick, you're up.
That's for my father.
Wow. Do you do that a lot?
No, but I'm starting to like it.
좋아지려고 한대.
Right, that's enough, Imo. You stay here. I'll go and see how they're doing.
Let me know what the hell's going on.
He's alone.
But he will see me coming.
I could distract him.
That noise. What was it?
에잇!
I found someone. Get back here.
이거 다시 해야 될 것 같은데?
Amicia!
Right, that's enough, Imo. You stay here. I'll go and see how they're doing.
Let me know what the hell's going on.
He's alone.
But he will see me coming.
I could distract him.
That sound came from over there, didn't it?
Take care of him.
You're going to pay.
저걸 한 번에 돼? 아이 대박.
He won't be getting up anytime soon. Trust me.
야, 너 대단한 놈이었구나.
I don't like hanging around doing nothing like this.
One each. All right.
Someone
I'll
needs
take
to
the
be
woman.
able to
The count. You're finished.
So there you are.
Perfect.
Good job.
I wouldn't like to have been on the end of that.
가득인데?
Tell me it leads outside.
It leads outside.
Fresh
I
air.
can smell fire. Oh, shit.
왜?
Oh no. Fire. Did we?
Fire is spreading. Is the Grand Inquisitor still inside? How do I know? Go and see, and give the order to evacuate.
This is good. We should make the most of it.
Yeah, fucking rats. That's all I need.
Oh, the rats, the shield. Oh, we can't touch him, Roderick.
Wait. When they took me to the Bastion to question me, I saw the alchemists making some stuff they called
아,
extinguish.
불 끄는 걸
Puts flames
만들었다고?
out. I was going to save it for later, but
It's worth a try.
아, 대박.
just need to aim at the fire.
It worked. This could change a lot of things.
Especially for them.
All the books are going to burn.
Walt, think about your book.
Oh, I saw something move over there.
아, 이거 나 왜? 저쪽으로 갈래?
We'll head straight for the fire.
It's the only way.
아, 뭐야?
Shit! You're on fire! You're on fire!
Can you take care of him?
You don't need to tell me twice.
Yes! Gotcha!
Nice.
I might have got a little carried away.
That's enough now!
어? 어래? 아, 아까 맞췄어야 했는데. 결국 재워버리는. 오, 치. 이쪽으로는 못 가. 그럼 어디로 가야 해? 저쪽에 저 템 먹으려고 이걸 써야 되나?
Do we really have to go in there?
Yes,
It's already hot.
What a bloody mess.
Oh, what are we going to do?
Follow me and look after your book. They're here. Don't worry about them.
책이 타면 안 되는데.
I need a hand here. Huh? Come on, come on. You hear me?
아, 왜?
Look, it's burning behind here. Stay out of the way.
What are you doing?
Open it. It.
Roderick! Are you right?
Run! We're nearly there. Quick, to the left.
스텝인 것 같은데.